atmosphere.
The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Bullitt County in southeastern Georgia, Chatham County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Liberty County in southeastern Georgia until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Bullitt County in southeastern 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. At 6:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from near Pembroke to over Skidway Island, moving west at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, Forest, Coffee Bluff, downtown Savannah and midtown Savannah. This includes the following highways: I-16 between mile markers 131 and 166, I-95 in Georgia between mile markers 81 and 103, I-516 between mile markers 3 and 6. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure, and these storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning in the area. Between mile markers 3 and 6. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Liberty, Georgia. Until 6. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Bullitt County in southeastern Georgia, Chatham County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Liberty County in southeastern Georgia until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line from near Pembroke to over Skidway Island, moving west at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fuller, Richmond Hill, Pembroke, the Interstate 16, Interstate 95 interchange, Hunter Army Airfield, Windsor Forest, Coffee Bluff, downtown Savannah and midtown Savannah. This includes the following highways: Interstate 16 between mile markers 131 and 166, Interstate 95 in Georgia between mile markers 81 and 103, Interstate 5, 16 between mile markers 3 and 6. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Agreement, so we're not being
thunderstorm warning for portions of Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Bullitt County in southeastern Georgia, Chatham County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Liberty County in southeastern Georgia until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line from near Pembroke to over Skilway Island, moving west at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poor, Richmond Hill, Pembroke, the Interstate 16, Interstate 95 interchange, Hunter Army Airfield, Windsor Forest, Coffee Bluff, downtown Savannah and midtown Savannah. This includes the following highways: Interstate 16 between mile markers 131 and 166. Interstate 95 in Georgia between mile markers 81 and 103. Interstate 5, 16 between mile markers 3 and 6. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Perspective, which is, I mean, really the whole point of this and what keeps